In this video, I'll show you how to change your theme language in Shopify. So once you're logged into your Shopify, let's come to settings on the bottom left. And let's go to languages. And this is the page where you can add different languages. So let's click on add a language. And let's select the language. So for this example, let me just go with Spanish. And let's click next. And let's click on done. And as you can see here, Spanish has been added as a language. So next we are going to click on translate. And let's click on translate and adapt. And next let's click on auto translate. And click on translate. So this will take a few minutes depending on how much data you have on your website, and they will email you when the translation is complete. Alright, so as you can see here, the translation is done. The next step is to activate this, we are going to need to come to settings again. Let's go to languages. And under Spanish, we are going to click on these three dots. And we are going to need to publish it. So let's click on publish. And now you can see that it's published. And to make it available for your customers, there's one more step. You will need to come to here, go to markets. And you will need to click on create market. And let's just name this Spanish. Let's click on add condition. And then you would just select the region that you plan to sell in. So for this example, let me just click on Mexico. Click done. And then let's click save. And the next step is, in order for your customers to be able to check out, you would just need to add the shipping rates for this market. So you can go to manage shipping. And this is where you can add your shipping information. So this is how you can change your theme language in Shopify.